Hello, my aviation enthusiasts and nav geeks. Today we have a GeminiJets 2024 FedEx Express Boeing 777F with the Panda on it. I got this for my girlfriend as part of her Mother's Day gift. She loves FedEx's paint scheme and liveries. So we got her the Panda one. I pre-ordered it and everything for her. And hopefully we don't have the dreaded quality control issue that GeminiJets has had. So here's the front of the box, the back of the box, the left side of the box, the bottom of the box, the right side of the box, the top of the box, and it has the informational spreadsheet on the top, and here's the preview. Let me take it out and see if we have the quality control issue. And unfortunately, we do have the quality control issue. As you can see, the first captain side, or first officer side wing is off, which a little bit of super glue will fix. But this seems to be a problem with GeminiJets, and it's very unfortunate because you think paying $50-$60 for something, you're going to have a good quality aircraft. So far, this is the only issue that we have found. I'm going to do a couple more pull tests on some areas and see if we have any more. Give me a second to do that. Okay, and just like that, with a little bit of super glue, we got it fixed. I am almost getting to the point where I don't want to buy GeminiJets anymore, because this is now the third or fourth one that I've pre-ordered, and it's come with parts off. I hope GeminiJets starts listening to us and starts amping up their quality control. Once upon a time, GeminiJets was the best ones to get 1 to 400 scale and even 200 scale aircraft, but it seems like NG, Phoenix, and JC Wings are picking up the slack, even though some of them are doing repeats and stuff like that. But anyways, let's get into it. So, as you see, you have the cockpit, the nose, the front landing gear. If my phone will stay focused, the L1 door, the engines, the back cargo door, the tail number, which is, let's see if I can pull that in, N8886FD with the American flag, the back and the APU. Let me get the other side. You have the R1 door. There should be a cargo door here. There is. And technically there should be a cargo door back here, but I'm not seeing it. Here's the front of the plane, the bottom of the plane with the GeminiJets logo at the bottom. All the wheels do roll, so that's why I have it sideways on my computer. The top of the plane, you have an antenna here and two antennas back here, No antenna on the bottom, which I believe there should be. You have the intakes and stuff there. Well, look at that. The landing gear is a little bent, but that's an easy fix.